Don't you reckon the smell of onion is like, if you wanted to make a house instantly smell like a home, like when you first move into a new project home that nobody's lived in before, the first thing you should do is fry onions and it will smell like you live there. Is that good? Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Jane DeGraff and today I am making the quickest ever, most epic dinner. Quick and epic? Yes, quick and epic at the same time. We're making steak sandwiches. Now for me, this is a childhood memory. We had them regularly on Saturday nights when my dad was doing the cooking because he wanted to give my mum a break. And there is, in my opinion, a very specific way to do it. But I'm just gonna dive right on in. The first thing we need to do is our onion rings. Very essential part of the steak sandwich. And I'm just going to slice my onion quite thickly and then pop it onto char. You're just waiting for my eyes to water, aren't you?
You didn't bring tissues.
I didn't bring tissues. Was that a mistake? Was that a mistake? I'm just going to brush my onion with a little bit of oil because I have a cast iron pan. Here we go. Sizzle that has been heating away. And because of the grooves, I don't want to put oil in the pan. I just want to brush the onion with a little bit of oil. Oh, it's a slippery one, this one. Slippery, slippery. I love steak sandwiches. They are, if you get the little sizzle minute steaks, which is what I'm doing today, they are such a quick dinner. And we like quick dinner, right? So now what we're going to do is just let those char, because I like them black around the edges. But that takes a minute. In fact, that's probably the thing that'll take the longest in this whole dinner, which is saying something. Glass of wine? While the onions sizzle?
Yep.
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Oh yeah, I love a grill pan with lines. You like a proper grill pan with the grill marks?
With grill?
With grill, a grill pan with grill. Right, it's like barbecuing, but also equally not firing up the barbecue. I've ruined the marks on that one. I touched it. You're not supposed to touch it. Don't touch it. This is one of my biggest problems with cooking, hey? I touch things too much. I touch too much. Not a touch too much. No such thing in cooking, but I touch too much. I think one of the greatest smells in the world is the smell of cooking onion. It instantly makes any just space into the most welcoming, homey, wanna be here, cozy up kind of space.
Homey.
Homey. Homey.
Like
not like homey. Homely. But not homely as in attractive.
Not crochet rugs.
No. Yeah, just like the place you want to be. It's a cuddle in smell form. It's a cuddle in smell form.
I was thinking of like homey with a knitted beanie.
No, but it's kind of...
Homely as in a knitted rug.
Okay. Homey's beanie, homely is rug. Fair enough. I'm going for that just like you walk in the door at the end of a hard day and the house is warm and the lights are on and the oven's going and someone's taking care of you. That is what cooking onion smells like.
Oh, I thought that's what you were going to say. That's what you should be doing.
That's what you should be doing for me every single day. Taking care of one another. Am I right? There you go. Let's turn these babies over. Get him off there. Look at those grill marks. Can you see them? Can you see the grill marks? Oh, yeah, except for the one that I ruined by touching too soon. Don't you reckon the smell of onion is like, if you wanted to make a house instantly smell like a home, like when you first move into a new project home that nobody's lived in before, the first thing you should do is fry onions and it will smell like you live there. Is that good? It's like freshly baked cookies, freshly baked bread, frying onions.
I don't think so. I don't think it's the same thing. I don't think
is.
I don't think a real estate agent comes around and says, "Oh, do you mind just frying some onions before we do the open inspection?"
Oh, they'd sell it for me, baby. Ooh, frying onions. Because I had a disaster with a steak sandwich recently. It was not a steak sandwich because it was missing one key ingredient.
Steak.
Well, yeah, but no, that's not what was missing. That's not what was missing. I reckon these onions are good to go. Oh yeah, nice, and they've got that gentle softness to them, but still holding their shape, which is exactly what I want. Let's put them there. Can you see what I mean? And I've kept them in their rounds because I like that for the building of the sandwich. Look at that. So you can see they're a little bit soft, but not completely squishy. And I didn't completely ruin that one. He's still good. Oh yeah, they look good to me. So, hot pan. What I have here are minute steaks, or just the really, really thinly sliced steaks. And I'm not going to oil the pan because, again, we don't want it pooling in the grill marks. But I have oiled the steak and I've left it out to come up to room temperature, which just helps with the cooking process and you don't end up with, you know, like a cold bit in the middle. But this is super, super quick. So do I go bread first? I go bread. I go bread into the bread under the grill. Here we go. In they go. And this is it. We can't stop once we start this. So are you ready? You ready? Here it goes. Sizzle. And sizzle. Yep. Have I got everything else lined up? I'm going to need cheese. This is important. This is Swiss cheese, and cheese is a great part of the textural experience of the steak sandwich as well. And what I'm going to do is once I flip the steaks, I'm going to sit the cheese on top and let the heat just melt it down a little bit. It's so exciting. Oh, yes, yes. Got everything going now. It's all happening. It's all happening. All right. That's got to have been like the 40 seconds that you need. Here we go. Oh yeah. Now these are really, really, really thin little steaks. He's holding on, but there we go. Turn him over. And I do still want them a little bit rare in the middle. I don't want them grey all the way through. So fingers crossed we're getting the timings right for this. We'll do that. We'll pop our cheese on.
Don't forget bread.
Don't forget my bread. Oh, so many moving parts to the ultimate cheesy grilled steak sandwich. All right. Longer? I want to get them off. Little bit. Ooh. The cheese is doing its thing. Oh, so good. So good. I don't think I can leave them anymore. Oh, it's time for them to come off. Here we go. Get this baby off. Oh, yeah, look at you. Onto the plate. Look at him. And then this one. Get you off there. Woo! Onto the plate like that. We'll turn this guy off. We'll check on the bread. Oh, everything's happening. Everything is happening. There we go. Look at that. Slightly toasted. I think our timing was pretty spectacular. So now it's build the bad boy. So let's go with that on the outside, which means that one goes, oh, yep. And those ones go like that. Very nice. Now, I like to butter my bread. So the bread is toasted, but it's still a little bit soft on one side because you don't want to rip your mouth up completely. Although I quite like dangerous bread. Where do you stand on the dangerous bread, Super Taster?
Yeah, I appreciate dangerous food.
I like to work for the enjoyment. And when there's a little bit of danger involved, it just makes it all that little bit more worthwhile. Am I in the ballpark there?
Yep.
It's got to be worth it. It's got to be worth fighting for. There we go. Bit of butter in there. Now, we're on to sauces. This is a controversial one. I don't have tomato sauce on my steak sandwich. Some people will cry that that is no good, but I'm horseradish all the way. And I had a steak sandwich the other night without horseradish, and it was disappointing to say the least. I think that is because I grew up with horseradish on my steak sandwiches. So there is no judgment. If you want barbecue sauce, you want brown sauce, you want Worcestershire, whatever you like with your steak, go for it. I am a horseradish and Dijon girl all the way. Now, I heard a trick recently that you can actually put the mustard on the steak while you're cooking it. I tried this. I did not like it. It stewed the steak, and I didn't want my steak stewed. All right, so now on goes our beautiful cheesy piece of steak. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, cheesy, gooey, delicious. Onto the bread. It's a good size for the bread too. Yeah, here we go. We'll put you on that one, like that. We need some onion. This is where I get in with my fingers, and I go, break up the rings now. Oh, the texture of that onion is just perfect. Even the one that I poked out and moved around, perfect. I'm going to put loads of onion on yours, Super Toaster. Is that what you want?
Yes, please.
Loads. Loads and loads. Oh, here we go. 1, 2. Cut it in half. Let's cut it in half and have a look. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Still pink in the middle, not grey. Very important. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, take me home. That is just, in my opinion, a perfect steak sandwich. Let me pop this on the plate. This one's yours, Super Toaster, the perfect one. I'll just put it like that and add some extra onion on the side for you, because everybody needs extra onion in their life. Do you want me to stack it? Stack it? Oh, he's shaking the head over there. All right, I'll stop fingering your food now. And this one over here is mine, which I will eat straight off there. But first I'm going to hold this baby up and show you. Steak sandwich. That is your dinner. How good's that? It is like a 10-minute Saturday night saviour. I love it so much. I can't wait now. I have to. Can I?
Do it.
May I?
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm just going to leave you behind right now and go like this. That is everything.
Sorry?
That is everything you want it to be. The sweetness of the onion, the slight burn of the horseradish, the steak's nice and soft and juicy, and the cheese is the creaminess through it all. And the bread's got the danger factor. It did get the top of my mouth, but not so much that I wouldn't go back for a second bite. Thank you so much for joining me for the fun food, the joyful food, the delicious food. I really hope you enjoy these. I know I do. It is a great thing to enjoy any night of the week, but I recommend it on a Saturday night. Can I eat yours?
Nope.